Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to reset your Xbox Series S. First, power on your console and head to the home screen. From there, use your controller to navigate to the settings icon, which often looks like a gear. Once in settings, scroll down the left-hand menu and select System. Then, on the right, you'll find Console Info or Console Info and Updates. This is our first step towards a fresh start for your console. Now that you're in the Console Info section, you'll see the Reset Console option. Click on this to proceed. You'll then be presented with two crucial choices: Reset and keep my games and apps, or Reset and remove everything. The first option is great for troubleshooting minor issues, reinstalling the operating system while preserving your installed content. The second option performs a complete factory reset, deleting all user data, games, and applications, making it ideal for selling or giving away your console. After selecting your preferred reset method, the console will prompt you for confirmation. Once confirmed, the reset process will begin. This can take anywhere from 5 to 15 minutes, depending on the option chosen and the amount of data to be processed. It's absolutely vital not to power off your Xbox Series S during this time, as it could lead to system corruption. Your console will automatically restart once the reset is successfully completed, bringing you to the initial setup screen. Once your Xbox Series S restarts, you'll be greeted by the initial setup experience, much like when you first unboxed it. If you opted to keep your games and apps, they should be ready to go after you sign in. However, if you performed a full factory reset, you'll need to sign into your accounts and re-download any desired games and applications. Remember to connect to the internet to ensure all system updates are applied and your account information synchronizes correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.